This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group, and boy, what a start to September here. Obviously, the tariff talks over the weekend, or lack thereof, should we say, put a negative cast over the market. And then we get this ISM number this morning, shows manufacturing weakening into a sub territory below 50 now. First time in 10 years, really just kind of helps the theme that the global slowdown is trickling into U.S. manufacturing right now. Weak numbers across the globe, certainly adding concerns about the world economy. Now, the consumer is still spending robustly, but how long can that keep up, and how long is that going to help keep the economy where it is? That and what happened over the weekend, where there's no timeline now for the next U.S.-China tariff talk, that is really what's hitting the markets today. ES options all the way last week, Friday, before the holiday weekend. Very busy, actually. It was end of the month, but very busy. 725,000 options traded, 65% on the put side. Volume leaders were all puts. September end of month 2,600 puts, 17,000 of those traded. September end of month 2,550 puts, 15,500 of those traded. September 2,600 puts, about 9,000, and September 2,700 puts, about 8,500 of those. Elevated volatility still in the marketplace. So between now and Friday, and we're only 3 more trading days after today, S&P's expected move of $45. Now, we have to talk about Bitcoin, because after the thrashing it took last week, boy, over the weekend and over last night, this thing has gained over $1,000. Big volume. In fact, today at the CME, over 7,000 contracts have traded. The biggest news that I have seen out there is that there's a limited version of a Bitcoin ETF, if you will, launching this Thursday that will allow institutional investors, not retail investors, but institutional investors, access in. This is a product that, through a loophole, does not need securities registration. So maybe, just maybe, that is opening up a little bit of a window for what may happen down the road with a potential Bitcoin ETF. Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group.